guys? Welcome back to another video. We're continuing the painting of the CRV H22 Prelude blades. Last week, if you guys tuned in, you'll see that we sanded them down and we primered them all up. So I used the filler primer. Check it out, the last week's video, to see how we prepped it, how we got it done, and how we got it to this state. So I need to wet sand them now. I'm gonna go with 2000 grit wet sand, clean them up with rubbing alcohol. All right, so that way our paint can adhere to it. Then we can blast it with clear coat, and then we have a nice finish. So that's the plan. Also, before we get started with that, you're probably thinking, what am I doing for center caps? I ordered a set of black generic center caps on Amazon. They're like 24 bucks, and I'm gonna scuff those up, use the same primer so that way the colors match, because you don't want two different colored primers because it will reflect on the paint. And then obviously, because we're gonna be wet sanding and everything, got some latex gloves. Thank you, Ashley, for going and get them for me, babe. I love you. Yuri's supposed to pop by, just making sure, see if he got here or not. He's gonna come chill and vibe. I will reveal the color that we're doing once we are ready to paint. So for now, I'm gonna set you guys, and then we're gonna start wet sanding. All right, boys, let's get this party started. I was originally gonna use 1500 sandpaper, but I wasn't too sure if that would be a good option. If you guys have more experience than I do, let me know in the comments. I just don't want to pull out too much material and then, you know, I'm screwed. So, you know, just fold out a little piece and then tear, because you don't need so much. I got my trusty Dollarama spray bottle with some nice warm water. You know, spray generously. That's all I'm gonna say. Spray generously. So we're gonna wet sand all four, and then we will paint. So I'm gonna start with the most obvious, which is the face. Alright, boys, as you guys can tell from that clip, we sanded down the rims with the water and wet 2000 sandpaper. I scuffed up with the Scotch pad the black center caps that I got on Amazon, cleaned it with rubbing alcohol off camera, and you just saw us lay some primer. I got it next to the heater so it dries up really fast, so that way we can, you know, paint it. Joined by the homie Yuri.
What's up, boys?
and he's just chilling. As you can see, like, he's dressed nice. Look at that attire, garage 16. This guy, look at that. The camera's doing some crazy turns on its own. Holy crap! What the hell's going on? I'm gonna start rubbing alcohol cleaning these two wheels. So, stupid me. The one thing I needed actually to get, and I forgot to remind her, was another deck of cards, so I would be able to paint all four one shot. That's not gonna happen. So, looks like we're gonna concentrate on 2 rims at a time. Get some nice coats on them, and then wait maybe 5 Paul 4-door minutes, and then we'll blast it with some clear coat, and then wait another 5-10 Paul 4-door minutes, and then blast some more clear coat on it, and then we'll go on to the other 2. Alright boys, so these 2 rims are all cleaned. They got the cards on them. They're ready for paint. So we got to the point in the video where I promised you guys I'm gonna reveal what color we are going with. You already wanted me to black it out and everything, but I feel like you guys have been patient enough. It's a color I love so much that I often contemplate going back to it with my Civic. I don't know if you guys can see it that well, but this is as close as I can get on a rattle can to magnesium blue. It's called Dark Sapphire Blue Metallic. It's an OEM color from GM, of course. See that? Oh, right there. Yeah, I love magnesium blue. This is as close as I can get to it with a rattle can. I think they're gonna look wicked. Yuri's been shaking the cans off camera for me while I've been setting that up. So big shout out to Yuri. I'm excited for this, guys. So far I got 3 cans of paint and then 2 cans of clear. I'm hoping it's gonna be enough, because that Canadian Tire only had 3 of these, and this GM color was very similar to a Chrysler color, but the Chrysler one was a touch more nicer, but they only had 2 cans. So yeah, I'm gonna pass the camera to Yuri, and we're gonna start laying some paint. And then after I lay 1 coat, maybe 2-ish coats, 3 coats, we'll chill a bit, and then we'll start going a little heavy with one of the clear coat cans, and then, you know, pull the cards off before they stick to it, and then, you know, repeat the cycle. They came out pretty good so far. This is just the paint. Kev's shining the light on it. Oh, by the way, CRvg is here with us.
What's up?
So yeah, like this is the blue. So I'm gonna get the can of clear ready, and then we're gonna start laying some clear coat on this. Remove the cards. Move these 2 wheels to that side where Yuri is, and then start on the next 2 wheels. It's a process, but it's looking pretty good so far, guys. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Sunday I'll do a separate video entirely because I gotta wash the CRV still because it's filthy from work, and then I got a story time with the CRV for you guys, and then we'll mount them with the spacers that Yuri has hooked me up with, some 15mm spacers. We're gonna put them on, and oh, I can't wait to see these things on.
5 minutes later.
Alright boys, I just finished painting all four, well the other two were done, but I just finished painting the last two. Just hammered it with the clear coat. So each rim took 3 coats of paint, 3 coats of clear, and they were thick coats, so they came out good. Got the homeboy Yuri right now. He's just removing all the cards, because you don't want it to dry with the cards or the masking tape on. Like, I know I left the primer drying with that, that's okay with on the valve stem, but if you guys come over here, it's all removed. These things came out really nice, man. I'm really happy with the way they came out. You know, patience is the key. Take your time, don't rush it. I was gonna rush the center caps for tonight, but honestly, I'm just gonna let it sit overnight, and then tomorrow morning I'll just wet sand it, clean it, and then hit it with the painted clear coat. But yeah, I'm super stoked. Big shout out to my homeboy Yuri for keeping me company and helping me with the little things. His profession is painting, so he knows. So I took his advice, listened to him, and I think the results speak for themselves. I cannot wait to put these things on, man. I think I did a pretty good job. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. I'm not gonna bother recording painting that tomorrow. When we put them on the CRV, they'll already be mounted on. I'm just waiting for the decals for the center caps. They'll be coming a little bit later on. It's gonna be a nice color scheme, and then you'll understand exactly where we're going with the CRV. But once again, big shout out to the homeboy Yuri. Guys, make sure you give him a follow. It will be in the description below, his Instagram account. Show him some love, give him a follow. He's got a lot of things going on with the HN. He's never stopping with the HN. That shit's just evolving and evolving and evolving. And one of these days we're just gonna do a nice little review of his HN, go some back rolls, get some shots of him doing some cruises, some cinematics, because it's fucking looking beautiful. From when I first met him to now,
it's a huge difference.
That car is, it's an animal. It's an animal. But big shout out to Yuri for coming by and just keeping me company. It's technically a Thursday, but oh, look at that, man. So yeah, it's technically a Thursday, but it's long weekend because Easter long weekend. So we wanted to knock this out now, so you know, it doesn't intrude on our festivities on the weekend. But guys, thanks for tuning in. Like I promised you guys, more CRV content. I'm not done. There's more content coming. I'm going to be filming with Mercer hopefully on Saturday, if everything goes well. So there'll be another video. So after this one, there'll be another video, and then there's another video, and then there's another video. I just got a lot of shit planned for the CRV, and then the Spoonie Swan, the Yell. Yeah, man, we're back, baby. We're back. We try some different things, but yeah. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that like, hit the subscribe if you're not already. Follow my homeboy right there. Shit, man, I was pointing at the wrong spot. And yeah, man, catch you in the next one. Peace.